Duty cycle capital D. So duty cycle is equal to pulse width divided by total time period T into 100%. This can be written as T on divided by T on plus T off into 100%. Suppose I want 25% duty cycle. So in that case, this goes like this and ends up like this, and once again it goes like this. So this is 25% duty cycle. Suppose I want 50% duty cycle. So what you have to do is 50% it will be on, and the remaining 50% it will be off. Here again 50% it will be on and 50% it will be off. So this is on, this is off. Now I want 75% duty cycle. So if I want 75%, then on time will be up to here, then off time will be here. So this is on time, this is off time. So on time is 75 millisecond, on time. Total time is 100 milliseconds, so you will get 75% duty cycle. Similarly for the next cycle, this will be on and this will be off. So this is one cycle or one period. This is second cycle or second period. So the easiest way to remember duty cycle is pulse width by total time period, or T on divided by T on plus T off into 100%. T on is on time divided by T on plus T off is the total time. That is, in this case it is T is equal to 100 millisecond. That is, T on plus T off is 100 millisecond. And for 75% duty cycle, so this will be 75 millisecond and off time will be 25 millisecond. Put together you will get total time as 100 millisecond. So that's all about duty cycle. Thanks for watching. Nandri.